Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play horror games in Rec Room. First, navigate to the Play menu within Rec Room. From there, you can utilize the search bar to find specific horror titles or browse categories. Look for rooms tagged with Horror, Scary, or Thriller to discover a wide variety of user-created experiences. Many of these games boast hundreds of thousands of visits and high player ratings, indicating their popularity and quality. To maximize your horror game experience, consider a few preparations. First, adjust your in-game settings, perhaps lowering the brightness slightly for a darker atmosphere. Physically dimming the lights in your room can also significantly enhance immersion. Crucially, wear headphones to fully engage with the game's spatial audio, which is key for jump scares and environmental cues. Playing with one or two friends can also make the experience more enjoyable and less isolating. When playing, pay close attention to environmental clues and objectives. They are vital for progression. If you are playing cooperatively, clear communication with your teammates is essential for survival and puzzle solving. Always remember to respect other players in public rooms, avoiding any disruptive behavior that could spoil their experience. Be mentally prepared for sudden jump scares and intense, suspenseful moments that are integral to the horror genre. Rec Room's horror offerings span a wide range of subgenres. You can find psychological thrillers that mess with your mind, intense survival horror experiences, and classic haunted house explorations. Some games emphasize atmospheric tension and puzzle solving, while others focus on action-packed monster encounters. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of horror games to discover which styles you enjoy the most within the Rec Room universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.